we really believe it makes good business sense to partner with News Commons. That's why we really wanted to gather all of potential partners here today because tingin namin malaki ang iaambag ng community media para makatulong din sa mga brands that you represent.
Correct. That's the symbiotic relationship there.
You always have to do what is right over what is good. Because when you're right, you will never go wrong. No? Good is always good for you, maybe good for you, bad for others. It's very subjective. We say good for me. But is it right? We don't know because good can be right or wrong. But when you go for the thing that is right, you will never go wrong.
Paano natin magagamit itong platform na to para ma-boost yung ating trust, yung trust sa ating mga community newspapers or community media.
Huwag kayong matakot sa tools. Kaya nga meron ganito to help us. This is not a reason for us to be afraid, to be adaptable. Kailangan natin itong sumakay sa digital. I've been telling this from day one. If you just operate sa print, I don't think we will last. So now we have a chance really to move forward. Let's be adaptable. Let's not be content with what we are doing right now. It's pretty hard. Marami talagang mahirap. But that's it eh. That's the case eh. Wala kang magagawa riyan. Pag hindi ka naging adaptable, you don't ride the crest of the digital world, then we will be left behind.
Madaling sabihin yon, pero I think at this point, pwede nating sabihin na ito tayo eh. That should not be taken away from us because we are PPI.
We are here because we definitely want to make sure that this experience doesn't become one that will burn our bridges. That's how important you all are for us. Things happen, and we are also very confident that you will have the heart to still continue to look at us as family because you really have a home with us here.
Ano ba ang reach ng PPI News Commons? Hindi siya basta isang nagsama-sama lang na website. Hindi lang basta andyan.
Why do we do this? Because we want to build better communities. What separates PPI from other media organizations that will be capped by or highlighted by the first ever Community Press Award, meaning first ever, nothing like it in the entire Philippines, honoring excellence of the community press. Wala pong gumagawa niyan. Ang mga members po ng PPI are the more credible news outlets in the country. Palakpakan.
You have to survive. If you have to be in the future, you have to expose to the challenges that's going around.
Let us redraw the line, not just in ink, but now also in code, in voice, in video, in every format that will reach the Filipino people. It is only a matter of time now before the country sees their press reawaken. My friends, my colleagues, our guests, welcome to the new age of the Philippine press.